Hi, everyone. Nice to see you. This is David Morton, the Noted Anatomist, and want to let you know that in the coming few weeks, I'm going to be offering some online video tutorials. It's on a website that's called Lighthall, and wanted to let you know how to access it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and type in lighthall.co, and that's going to bring you up to this website, and you go to the bottom right, it says biology. You click that, and you're going to see, oh, there's Dave Morton. That's me doing biology, but specifically it's going to be on the cardiovascular system. And so if you click that thing that says the cardiovascular system, you get this page, and what you'll notice is there's the class schedule. So I'm going to blow it up for a second. There's 4 classes, and the first class is on heart anatomy. It's on April 7th at 5 p.m. MDT time, Mountain Standard Time, and I know that's only a day's notice. I should have done this a week ago. I've been in a conference, and so I'm sorry about that. This is heart anatomy, and it's I already have a video tutorial on the Noted Anatomist YouTube channel on this, but I wanted a place that I could then expand and practice a little bit more some of these other future tutorials that I will publish very soon. Wigger's diagram and pressure volume loops, that'll be a week later. And then the week after that will be on one on arteries and veins. And the week after that, it's going to be on action potential of heart cells, conduction, and cardiac and contractile cells. These are free, so there's no charge. I just wanted to let people know and be aware of it. I've been curious about Lighthall, and I've always wanted the idea, been able to expand and provide live lectures for students and perhaps professors who are looking for students who are looking for ways of knowing this material, and professors so that you could find different ways of teaching. So go and log on. You can reserve for free. I hope to see a number of you there tomorrow night. Well, actually, I shouldn't say see, because Lighthall is live streaming. So it's not like Zoom where you see people's face, but it is live streaming, and we're interacting through the chat feature. Hope to see many of you there tomorrow night. Thanks, everyone. Cheers.